Hi, I'm Chef Kowai. Today I'll be making Finesse Jasmine Citrus. Finesse further enhances the taste of the tea and fruity profile for this cake. It provides better yield for the mousse as well.